Hi, this is Sean Lu from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'll be showing you an exclusive freehold corner terrace at Sanny Park, Marine Terrace. This unit has a built-out space of 4,100 square feet that spans across 2 floors. There's an attic, 7 bedrooms and bathroom, a wide outdoor space, private garden and swimming pool. Come, let's go! The living room is spacious and easily fits a large sofa set with additional seats to host your friends and family. With high ceiling, this squarish layout allows for your ideal configuration. This door opens up to the vast outdoor area right beside the common room. Our dedicated dining area is easily connected to the living space. The large space can easily fit an 8 to 10 seater for larger families, enjoying natural lights and great views from the windows. We have both a wet and dry kitchen and tons of built-in cabinetry for storage. Within the dry kitchen is the helper's room, and she has her own toilet in the room. Connected to the kitchen is the common bedroom, with common bathroom in between, good size and well maintained. Now on to level 2, we have this spacious area which can be utilized as a study or living space for the family. We cannot ignore the gym area next door where you can get fit and strong within your own home. This space connects to our master bedroom, spacious, grandeur, and with an attached walk-in wardrobe that gives you that luxurious feel. There is an attached ensuite which looks pristine with great finishes. The other bedroom is spacious and can easily fit a king-size bed and study area with its own ensuite for convenience access. Now, in our next 2 common bedrooms, you might be wondering what are these staircases for. These staircases lead up to the attic, or in the current owner case, the sleeping area, while the second level is converted to just a study area. The attic is also well equipped with a common bathroom and family area, so you can opt to keep this section of the house as 2 huge bedrooms or 4 individual rooms. At the attic, there is also an adjacent balcony that gives you full view access to the outdoors and vicinity. The unique feature of this house is this outdoor patio that is connected to a private garden and pond, which also leads to the car porch. It is perfect for chilling next to nature with friends and family. This pool has a patio elevated above, allowing for fun-filled activities to be had. Just a 9 minutes walk will bring you to Stevens MRT on the downtown line, with Newton Station just down the road. For those driving, the PIE and Bukit Timah Road are right at your doorstep, connecting you to the Orchard shopping belt. For food and groceries, you have Cold Storage, Adrian Food Centre, Newton Food Centre, as well as Forum, the shopping mall, Balmoral Plaza and United Square shopping mall within a 5-kilometer radius of the unit. On the weekends, head for a trek at MacRitchie Reservoir Park, relax at Raffles Town Club, or simply enjoy nature at Malcolm Park, Kiam Hock Park, or the iconic Botanic Gardens. For families with children, you'll be pleased to find SCGS and SGI within 1 kilometer, as well as ACS, Barker and Nanyang Primary within 2 kilometers. Thank you for watching our home tour of this exclusive unit at Marine Terrace. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me at 9777-0668 to find out more. Once again, this is Sean Lu from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, signing off.